It is awesome.
Car. Whoa.
Ow. Just got bit or something.
Oh?
Jesus Christ. Or stung.
I feel like I'm disappointing you guys with all the asphalt, but
This side of the timber trail is mostly asphalt. There we go. Look at this. What's this all about?
Yeah.
oh look.
This would have been one hell of a rock cut to blast away.
Oh, could you imagine?
Holy. Car.
ATV.
Nice. Tank top, no helmet. Nice.
Streetcar crossing.
Well, I'm trying to read these signs because the last one I'm pretty sure said no turning around. There's the streetcar.
All right.
After we shut the cameras off, Duncan had our first mechanical issue of the trip. His kickstand bolt broke clean off, dropping his kickstand on the road and causing the bike to quit. We managed to get something rigged up with zip ties and electrical tape so he could drive it back to the cottage. This would give us time to contemplate our ride priorities for our final day tomorrow.
Oh. I guess thank you is in order for Lakeview Cottages.
Decent spot, Jeff.
It was a good spot.
Yeah. Too bad they don't have a motorcycle repair shop here.
I was waiting for... Alrighty.
I think so.
Day 3.
Yeah.
On the road again.
On the road. Oh, we got a walker up here.
Okay. My temperature gauge says 18 degrees, but I don't believe it for a minute.
So, Duncan, are you saying it's colder than 18 or warmer than 18?
Colder. The weather app said it was 11 degrees in Wilberforce, which is actually a little bit north of here, but I mean, not that far.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to need gas in about 515 kilometers, guys.
All right, I'm starting to get anxious for you now.
Yeah, we might see a gas station in that range somewhere.
Okay. Keep your eyes open.
Okay. What kind of fuel do you need?
Combustible.
The other reason I think it's colder than what it shows is because this KTM does not like starting in cold weather, and it was giving me a little bit of disgruntlement. Reminded me of Ernie.
There's nothing little about my disgruntlement.
How's that kickstand holding up?
I was quite pleased with it when I looked at it earlier. It's still there. That's how pleased I was. Or that's all it took to be pleased.
So what our viewers didn't see yesterday after the cameras were turned off is Duncan losing an important piece of his bike, but not that important, I guess.
Only important if you want to keep it running or stop somewhere.
Yeah. So Duncan's kickstand fell off, the bolt broke, and we thought he had crashed because when we looked back, we saw his bike laying on the side of the road, and no Duncan.
It was gently placed there. Not really.
Gently placed out of frustration. But we managed to MacGyver it, literally, with zip ties and electrical tape.
We can finish the ride.
Exactly.
That's what matters.
Hey, and that bike now has a little piece of BMW on it.
That's right. Yeah, we had to use one of Murray's, I don't know, what do you call it, a socket piece or something?
Yeah, it's Ernie loves it. Murray loves this. The BMW fixes my KTM. I'm here to please.
It's all good. We're going to finish our ride today.
Here's the bumps coming.
Big bumps. This will
Yep.
be the test.
I'll keep you posted. I see a yellow side stand symbol.
I just got to back off a little bit.
Why?
Taking a left up here.
Oh, not this one?
Well,
It runs parallel and it's gravel.
we can go back if you want. Hold on, I'm going to pull off to the side and take a look.
Duncan, put your kickstand down. Relax for a minute.
I'm starting to look for street signs with posts.
No, we don't want that road. That's a dead-end road.
Okay.
Let the gravel be... Oh, wait. It's not gravel yet.
It was once.
Yeah, so I think the turnoff for Call My Mom's around here somewhere.
Oh?
Yeah.
So we had full intention of doing the Call My Mom section on this trip. However, with Murray being sore from his crash on day one, and the potential for Duncan's KTM to die on the trail from the kickstand switch hanging by a thread, we made the decision to skip that section this time and return in the fall to tackle it then.
Right on McAlpine. There's gravel in the corner here.
That's okay. We're used to it. Ooh, that was sand, though.
Yeehaw! Gravel.
Happy Jeffrey.
Bit of an off-cambered corner here. And bumpy.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, stutters. Okay, I think we're hanging to the right. Ah! Trailhead. We're gonna hang a left up here.
Cross-country road. How appropriate.
Where one of your right side, no, your left side light is off.
Yeah, because my signal's on.
Oh, is that? Oh, okay. Sorry.
That's how it works.
Yeah.
How about now?
All good.
All good. I see two peepers.
All right.
We're not going to have to stop. Thank God.
10:30. We'll have a coffee stop. Not sure where. I don't think the Granite is open till 11.
There's not a Tim Hortons in Bancroft?
Oh yeah, there's a Tim's. There's a McDonald's.
McDonald's has better coffee.
Yeah, where is it though? It's McDonald's.
McDonald's is down across from Esso.
I can see it. It's just left here.
Oh yeah. There it is. Cold Arches. Ready? Go.
Yep.
Where are you gonna lean your bike?
Right here.
Over here.
Or right there.
Oh, I see where you are. Okay. We gotta go.
That's a turning lane.
Yeah, we gotta go right here, I think, don't we?
No,
No, next one. Bridge Street. We're gonna. Yeah, we're gonna.
follow the 62 signs.
Yeah. Ernie, you should be leading.
No, I shouldn't.
You guys help? You got him? Do you want me to come back?
Oh, we got him.
Okay. All right. Ready?
Yep.
At this point, we were back where we started the Timber Trail loop on day 1. Remember back from that day when we first hopped onto Old Hastings Road? Well, this isn't part of the official Timber Trail loop, but if you're ever riding Timber Trail, do yourself a favor and take an excursion all the way to the end of Old Hastings Road after it crosses Highway 620 and Coe Hill. You'll be glad you did. Well, that's it for this one. On behalf of myself, Duncan, Murray, and Ernie, thanks for joining us on our Timber Trail weekend. We hope it inspires you to get out on your own adventure ride. Take care and see you on the next one.